Welcome back to my channel. So people, what if things are going? What if things are going on the media social? Yeah. So Lor Lor run out pan chocolate and vanilla. So Lor Lor run out pan chocolate and vanilla because chocolate and vanilla they do them posts and clap back. Yeah. It's a clap back. Yeah, I do a video on it a few days ago where me see the post, and it was a clap back because Lor Lor had a lot to say about chocolate and vanilla on the veranda. Down at the baker shop. Down at the bakery. So listen to this because me hear something I overdoing me hear it, yeah, doing a talk about it, and they must say that it's a threat. It sounds like a threat and all this thing nonsense. And Lor Lor say, chocolate and vanilla threaten them. So everything them have to link to threats. I'm not sticking for nobody. I'm not taking no side. I'm not on nobody's side, but. Lor Lor go down go trouble the people then first and then clap back, and then she said no, she said it's a threat now. So listen to this. Not my fault you can't go back to Jamaica 99 to the flipping world. Back up, dopey. Not my fault you can't go back to Jamaica. It's not my fault, it's a key word. I know for me fault you can't go back down to Jamaica. I saw it go. 99 to the flipping world. Ubex kind of thing she's saying, because obviously she picking her now because she don't have the 99 TSK can. Lor Lor in at the front row watch. So that's the reason why them clap back like that. So Lor Lor is saying it's a threat. Yeah, them are threatening her. So the words been on the street a long time. We don't know if I true or for allegedly, if a man go say them say she can't go back to Jamaica. It's not my words. A whole heap they on the street long time, and Dwayne must know say that in the on the street go like him no know. But Dwayne, no. You make it out so you don't know about that. Everybody know about that. If you just come you hear that the story there. And if you there about long time, people know say that story there with that make up story, that's how people are say. So them upset chocolate and she go clap back where it hurts, and that's what people do on social media. Some people cuss bad word, some people don't cuss bad word, and that's how the thing set. So you can't tell off chocolate them and vanilla and not tell off Lor Lor because you're afraid to talk to them because they cause the most issues on social media. Them cause the most issues on social media, because we're not afraid to talk over here. So then cause the most problems on social media, and then when people lick them back, then they're ready for ball, and then them twist it up because them are twisting out say a threat, and you can quite see so that's not no threat. And even if chocolate and vanilla say 99 to the flipping world kind of thing, what I don't see how she's inserting her into no threat, because that's simply not a threat she's saying, because the lady no like to see her down on the man veranda. She's saying 99 to the flipping world. So nothing wrong with that. I don't see nothing wrong with it. But so that me I go say nothing no wrong with it. If she said 99 to the flipping world, some people are say Lor Lor can't read and understanding. She know what she do. She know what she do. They like to spread a lot of false things out there, and false narratives, and manipulate things. You know what she do? She have speak at the house and other people there that have understanding, and that's in patois. That in a patois. So she will know how it going on. No big, no big words, so she not understand it. She know what she understand more than no saying. She understand what she do. Yeah. And that me I go say, cause me did do a video on it days ago. So it's just a little recap really. So she trouble the woman trouble her, and she run out now, and then she a ball, she a threat. If you make people feel sorry for her, say people are threatening her, cause chocolate in her Jamaica now, she a threatening her. Yeah. Now wheel and come again, that don't make sense what you're saying there. So that's all I go say. Yes, people gotta clap back and lick people where it hurt, and that's what people do on social media. Yeah. So the next story me moving on to, me never really want to touch the story there, because certain stories I don't really trouble. Because sometimes when you look at certain people, you see there is an issue. There's a real issue really. When, people are comfort eating and then trying to live beyond them, they're trying to live above their means. Then trying to live above their means. Said there is a real issue, and people were saying the person was homeless and all kind of things and so on, and the person said them move out of them place and them a stop a hotel and then bigging up so they can stop a hotel and all that. And I'm thinking, it don't make sense. Why would you move out of your home and I stop at hotel and up and down, I drive up and down and all this? It don't make sense. If you do that don't make sense, because that's costing you more money. And if you're stopping in your own place, you buy food, and eat, and it don't make sense to me. It don't make sense, yeah. But lo and behold, the pastor exposed the individual now. Pastor exposed the individual, said then give donation and all these things. So it's sad really, because it look like say MC's in a bad situation, but she too proud for ask for help. Yeah, she's too proud to ask for help. And I'm looking at it to say this a pastor mix up really. He shouldn't really come out with this. I think he should have come out with this a storyline on social media, because this is a big embarrassment to MC when she go on and say a lot about people and all this. But this is the result of sometimes trying to do all these things. Me thinking to myself, even the gala that she did have, all that money they know, all that money she could have had that to sort out a place where the £1,000 when the pastor give her. Yeah, where the money there is just going into food and restaurants, and I can live a life, I can go on cruise, and I can do that. And it's called keeping up with the Jones. Like some people like to say them a keep up with the Jones, and live above their means, and trying to show off. But this is what sometimes when you try to living above your means and showing off, this can be the result of it. I'm not laughing about nobody. Anybody can end up losing their job, losing them home, their mortgage. Can happen to the best of person, so I'm not laughing about it, but I'm just saying that people need to think, because spending money on box food every minute, even that is an expensive thing really. You can put your money and get your little shopping and cook your little food and make it last you a few days. But me used to see MC used to do a little cooking and a little things them. She used to do a little cooking and and all things them. Something happened along the wayside. Yeah. But it is really, really sad. I'm not gonna laugh. Some people are gonna say they don't feel sorry or karma and all kind of drama and all them things there. But no, it's a sad situation really. At her age in life, really, she shouldn't have to be going through this kind of trauma. Yeah, shouldn't have to be going through that, driving up and down every day. How can you be happy doing all that, you know? And making that so you're happy and contented, but that to me, no, no, you can't, you know, money are gonna run out in it really. But it's a pass and mix up, but maybe people might know our fans and certain people come through and support her, yeah. But I think Missy one post where she said she want some sheep for herself to give back your pastor the money. You might as well forget that. No, you need that money for yourself at the moment, the pastor. Give you money. I feel the pastor say more money that she should get more money if she never cut up the work for clock them on social media. More people that help, yeah. So, you know, maybe if she try and calm down and all that, but obviously she's probably stressed out, and you know, with all that's going on social media, stress her out even more, and then obviously then the bad word then cost even more, and that's so yeah. Anyway, and that's that me come for dip my mouth in. I know far more fast and like to dip our mouth into things. Yeah. Thank you guys for all of the support. Like and share this video, and big up on yourself.